Ready? Do.
Do.
You got it? Do.
Do.
Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go.
Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do, so. Do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, do.
Do, re, do. Okay? Do, re, do. Let's go. Let's start from mi again.
Mi, re, do, do, re, do.
Back to the tonic. Do, do. Start again.
Mi, re, do, do, re, do. So, do, mi, fa, re, mi, do.
It's a little technical this part.
So, do, mi, fa, re, do, re, mi, fa, do, re.
So when we mix together,
Fa, re, mi, fa, re, mi, do.
for me, okay? 1, 2, 3, start.
Mi, re, do, re, do.
Do will be always same.
Do, no,
Anything, any notes, do will be always same. So that's called tonic. The first note is called tonic. Start.
mi, re, do, re, do. So, do, mi, fa, re,
That part.
fa, re, mi, do.
So give me one note again. Okay? We'll start with re. Okay, it's a little complicated here. A bit. Huh?
T.
Oh my. It's going to be very hard. Okay? Give me.
So.
So. Oh. Yes.
La.
La. Nice. Interesting.
La.
Then
Re.
re. Okay.
Mi.
Mi.
Do.
Do. Okay. This is going to be complicated. Okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Since we have ti.
Sir, I can't see because of the keyboard.
Okay. I'll just remove this then.
Re, ti, so.
You can see now?
Yeah.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Try. So,
Do,
mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, sol, la, re, mi, do. Listen first, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, re, ti. Listen first. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. This is ti, okay? Re, ti, sol, la, re, mi, do. Yes. Show it here. Re. So this is starting note. Do, re is the starting note. And then we go till ti. Do. How do you sing the high do? Do, do. Try. Do, do. Do, do. Ti. So I want that note. So instead of starting with do again, you're starting with re. Re, ti, ti.
Re, ti.
Do, re, ti.
Re, ti.
Sol, la. Re, ti, sol, la. Re, what is your heart? Re, ti, sol, la, re, mi, do. Let's start for the last time from here till the end. Ready? 1, 2, do. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start.
Do, re, mi, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do, sol. Do, re, mi, mi. Mi, mi, re, do, re, do. Sol, do, mi, fa, re, mi, do.
That part.
Sol, do, mi, fa, re, mi, do. Re, ti, sol, la, re, mi, re. Re, ti, sol, la, re, mi,
Do, re, mi. So you try to think of that. Do, re, mi. Okay?
Re, do, re, ti, sol, la, re, mi, do.
That's it. So next time we'll do it one by one. So you can practice at home. Okay? That's it.